1. Introduction to commuting challenges. Commuting can be a hassle, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're talking about how navigation apps and real-time traffic updates can make your daily drive smoother and stress-free. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just out and about, traffic can easily throw a wrench in your day. You're stuck in a jam, late to an appointment, and the worst part, you have no idea when things are going to get better. Or 2, how navigation apps help. That's where navigation apps come in. These apps use real-time data to map out the best routes, taking into account live traffic conditions, accidents, roadwork, and even weather. Whether you're using Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps, these apps help you avoid delays and choose the quickest path to your destination. 3. Traffic updates in real time. Real-time traffic updates make a huge difference. Apps constantly update your route based on live traffic conditions, warning you about upcoming delays or accidents. If you're stuck in a bottleneck, your app will suggest a detour to help you avoid further frustration. 4. Benefits of using navigation apps. The benefits are clear. Less stress, fewer delays, and more time for the things that matter. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Just plug in your destination and let the app guide you every step of the way. 5. Other features of navigation apps. Most navigation apps also come with bonus features, voice-guided turn-by-turn directions, speed limit alerts, and even the ability to find gas stations, restaurants, or coffee shops along your route. 6. Tips for getting the most out of your navigation app. To get the most out of your app, make sure you're checking the traffic updates before you even leave. Some apps allow you to plan your trip ahead of time, and many have settings to avoid toll roads or highways. A little prep can go a long way. 7. Conclusion. Commuting doesn't have to be a stressful part of your day. With the power of navigation apps and real-time traffic updates, you can save time, avoid congestion, and get where you need to go without the hassle. Ready to take control of your commute? Download your favorite navigation app today and start driving smarter. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making life easier. Safe travels.